Hi YouTube, a little bit different of a video today. Instead of working on a car, we're working on the garage. And if you've watched the channel long enough, I'm sure you've seen some of my tool chests in the background. This is the Craftsman box that my dad bought for me years and years ago. And since then I've collected way more tools than are going to fit. So I've got another tool chest here, I've got one in the basement, I've got these workbenches behind me. And the problem that I run into is that the reason I have to edit off me looking at the tools, or looking for tools rather, is just because I can't find a darn thing. They're roughly organized, like this is all electrical stuff, and some of it I don't even use. But all of these tools just take up so much space in all of the cabinets that I have. And you can also see, you open one drawer, the weight on these drawers, the weight limit is such that they just sort of open themselves. And while there are a couple that are kind of well organized, I mean, the sockets I guess aren't too bad, but while there's a couple that are reasonably well organized, there's stuff where I just have to throw stuff in drawers, so it's not ideal, and I do have to do a bit of digging just to get through stuff. So I have a new toy for the garage. Alright, I'm going to take you on a garage tour later, I promise. I'll do that in a future video, but let me show you what I got. I have bought myself a new tool chest. The top part is coming in a few days, but by the time that this video airs, I'll probably have that too. And just a random tip, if you guys are looking for a tool chest from Home Depot and you've got your eyes on this 56-inch one with the top chest, you can buy the assembled unit. It's only about $1,500, which is not unreasonable for the amount of space you're getting. It's deeper than a lot of the other tool chests. But here's the thing. They were out of stock on the complete tool chest, the top and bottom combo that's about $1,500. But you can buy this bottom piece for about $700, and you can buy the top piece for about $400, which is, that's $1,100 for those of you that can do math, and that is cheaper by about $400 than buying the combo unit. Same part numbers. I checked, believe me, I went through everything. I looked at the part numbers on everything. So by the time Home Depot fixes this, they will have already delivered both parts for me. So if the deal is no longer still around, sorry, ruined it for you. But in the meantime, if you catch this soon enough, you can still go and do it. So highly recommend it. It's cheaper than many of the other cabinets of similar quality. But anyway, I don't do unboxing videos because I think they're stupid. But if enough of you watch this, I might make like $30 and can buy myself a sandwich. So let's get to it. And it's backwards. Wonderful. All right, let me turn this around. There, much better. All right, I love this cabinet. Let's see if it's open. I love this cabinet just because of the sheer size that I have. I can put my sockets in here. It's a tall enough space that I should be able to stand up my deep wells. I can put them all in one drawer. It's got nice soft close. Comes with a key that they taped down for you so you can't lose it. I don't know. I'm not going to tell you guys about measurements. You can look all that crap up. But there is plenty of space for everything that I have, including a lot of the power tools that I've been buying. I can put in here, and there's slots for them to all go in, so I need to make sure that I put that back together. But these drawers can hold more weight than I'm going to need. Obviously a Mac or a Snap-on cabinet is going to be better, but I don't use this every day. I'm in the garage weekly. But I mean, honestly, this should really hold up just fine for the number of times that I'm opening and closing drawers. Pretty excited about it. It was delivered like this. I believe all I have to do is take these wood bits off the bottom of the crated up box, and it's already on casters. So once the top arrives, I should be able to just plop it down on top. I'll be good to go. For what it's worth, Birkenstocks are not a shop-approved shoe. Get steel toes if you're concerned about safety. But anyway. that's it. It's unpacked. Okay. Somewhere in here, there's a handle. It's probably this. Ah, yes, there's some rubber guards that go on the side. That's what those are. Put my knife away too soon. Nice handle. I don't really have anything special to say about that. Okay, just a little bit of a tip. Don't go too tight on the screws here. You'll go right through the rubber and you just back out the screw, do it again, it'll be fine. Just don't over tighten it, and I gotta figure out where the hell these go. Toolbox would be complete without a bottle opener. That's not going to work so well on my scotch, but that's okay. I always love instructions for things like a tool chest. How to use, open drawers, I don't know. That's it, guys. Not much of a video, sorry. If you like watching me open boxes of stuff that I own and you don't, hey, great. And I appreciate you subscribing to the channel for that. But anyway, one of these days I'll get around to giving you guys a garage tour. I'll give you an update after I get some tools in it for a while and let you know how it's been holding up. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you've got questions, or if you've got a toolbox you'd rather have, other good suggestions for people that might be watching, go ahead and post it in the comments down below. And see you next time.